Multi-baggers and consistent return is what retail investors want. But how do we achieve this consistently? Hi, I'm Sneha Jain, the founder of Wealthtrust Capital Services firm, a SEBI-registered research analyst, which is Mumbai-based. We at Wealthtrust Capital Services specialize in research-based investing in not just equity, but also across asset classes. The main problems that retail investors face today are misinformation, lack of quantitative tools to filter out companies, and behavioral biases. We have solved this by creating and formulating portfolios basis your financial needs and behavioral biases. Let's take you on a tour of our research desk and what strategies we have deployed in formulating these portfolios.
Hey, I'm Shubham Jha, Senior Research Analyst at Wealthtrust Capital Services. So while managing wealth for our clients, we take care of both visible returns in short-term and long-term compound. We apply a combination of both growth plus momentum strategies for investing. We have devised tools and techniques that help us track not only micro factors but also macro factors that might affect an investor portfolio. We take a proactive approach based on our estimation and calculation that help our clients to capture emerging market opportunities. Apart from numbers, we also scan qualitative factors like management vision, capex plans, and brand image.
With our intensive research-based approach, we have managed to reap higher returns with minimum risk. Our portfolios have consistently beaten the popular benchmarks in the last 2 years. We have combined the momentum style of investing with long-term growth strategy to achieve these returns. We are on a mission to make such ready-made portfolios accessible to all investors, and you can now invest with just a few clicks. We have created these portfolios on the small case platform and are easily accessible to you for investing. Link is in bio. Let's make investing profitable and accessible.